perhaps we are all a little mad, we who don the caps and bells and tread beneath the Pacini march. But tonight, you'll be transformed from dead-eyed suburbanites into white-hot grease fires of pure entertainment. Except you're not working out. I'll be playing your part.
Drag.
Long before the Superdome, where the saints of football play, lived a city that the damned called home. Hear their hellish roundaway.
New Orleans, home of pirates, drunks, and whores. New Orleans, tacky, overpriced souvenir stores. If you want to go to hell, you should take a trip to the Sodom and Gomorrah on the Mississippi. New Orleans, stinky, rotten, vomiting, vile New Orleans, putrid, brackish, maggoty, foul New Orleans, crummy, lousy, rancid, and rank New Orleans.
What's the matter, honey? Are you lost?
I'm looking for my sister Stella.
It's Christian!
Huh?
My name is Blanche Dubois. I thought my life would be a Mardi Gras, a never-ending party. Ha! I'm a faded southern dame without a dime.
I'm collecting for the Evening Star.
Come here. I want to kiss you just once, softly and sweetly on your mouth.
I am just a simple paper boy, no romance do I seek. I just wanted 40 cents for my delivery last week. Shall this bewitching floozy seduce this humble newsy? Oh, what's a paper boy to
You're putting me through hell, Stella. Stella!
Oh, cool! Christian can fly!
I think it's supposed to symbolize his descent into madness. Of strangers to pluck up your spirits and shield you from dangers. A stranger's just a friend you haven't met. You haven't met. Streetcar!
Thank you very much for coming along to the News Lloyd 31st anniversary. This is the first airing in Australia show. By that we mean Bob the Genius. You give the applause going for Mr. Matthew Hendra, Christian Lazari, Jacqueline Olensa, and for my co-star, Mr. David Innes.
Mr. Rumloy!
We will be back later on in September with our next exciting project. Yes, we will bring back a famous hit of ours, Time Lord, and an improvised tale through space and time right here at the Butterfly Club. But as always, to finish off the best way we know how.
From sea to shining sea.
Thanks for coming along. And on the way out, don't forget to get some orange drink for the long ride home.